Calling all busy moms. Are you searching for a way to boost your income while still being at home with your kids? If so, look no further. I'm here to tell you about the Etsy Digital Bootcamp, an easy to follow course that will take you from start to finish, creating a profitable digital Etsy shop. No design experience or special talents needed. It's the perfect way to create passive income. In fact, there's very little customer service, and the best part is you create the products once and you can sell them over and over again. Take a look at what a few of our students have to say. I've made it so easy that I've included free commercial use printable templates to get you started quickly on the way to making money. I'll show you the exact methods I have used to grow my own digital shop to 16,000 sales in just under 2 years. And guess what? For a limited time, the course is on sale for just $197. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Join now to save and start your journey to Etsy digital success. To learn more and enroll now, go to youretsyedge.com/digital-bootcamp. I hope to see you soon.